Hey, if you wonder what does SOS mean on your iPhone 16, then if you see something like this in the right upper corner like SOS, no service, or for example searching, it means that you are not connected with your mobile data and you can still make the calls, the emergency calls actually, but you cannot actually make the normal phone calls. And if you want to fix this, then I can highly recommend you to first start from opening the settings and be sure that you switch off the airplane mode. If it is not working, then you should actually restart your phone. I mean, not reset, just restart. So simply turn it off and then turn it on back. And if it is not working, then you can manually force the cellular to turn on by going here. You can simply switch this off and switch this on. And if it is not working, then you should actually contact to your carrier to actually fix this issue, because there's like no any other way to fix this. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.